How did you do it? I told him, you see, why me wasn't looking good that 15 years ago is because what I saw, I began to do sacrifice to make sure that what happened to you, this condition you are now, will never happen to me. That is exactly the picture I saw. I was telling you, hey bro, let's move fast. I said, do you see now? The boy regret. He regret never to follow me. I said, look, this life, some people have eyes that leads, the leading eyes. You don't know? Those are the people they call leaders. They will lead you because they see. They can have the eyes that see and they can see something. If danger is coming, okay, we have seen it. Is it we want to stop the danger? No. The danger will surely come. But we will maneuver around it. We will never hit it. It will never hit us. But the people that don't see it, it will hit them. Boom, boom, boom. They will crash, but we are gone. That's what happened to him. So when I say, when you gym, and you gym very well, it will shape you, shape your body, shape your life, shape your soul. It will shape your brain. Your brain will be thinking very, very fast, even though you don't have these eyes that see. When somebody that have it talks to you, your brain will quickly understand and you will move. Now with gym, this gym I've never stopped for years, continuously on a daily basis, every day. It takes words to come and gym. It takes strength. What is motivating you? What is motivating you to do what you are doing? Or what motivates you to turn what you are doing into money-making machine? See the way I'm sat on YouTube now. Okay. And you know, this live show might go for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Right? I may not make nothing on TikTok. But on this YouTube that you are looking at me now, yes. After how many hours this show end, okay, I will just pick my YouTube analytics, just look at how much have I made today. Am I not happy? These things didn't just start today. It started from a vision of years ago. A vision of years ago. After seeing what is going to happen in 20 years' time. That in 20 years' time, in 20 years' time, that was 20 years ago. That in 20 years' time, look, bro, a lot of people will crash, suffer, and suffer. They will suffer. It will be a shock. They will shock like shit. Are you going to be among them? Do you want to be shocked? You want to be shocked? Something was telling me. I dialogue with myself. Okay, you don't want to be shocked. You don't want to be among the people who's going to be shocked in the next 20 years, right? Okay, you don't want to be, okay, let your own shock start from now. That was the beginning of all these things you see me doing, all these, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, social media things, gathering all my people, all fans, building my own base. Yeah. And that is where I look like, okay, whatever you are doing in your life, what do you know how to do? You know how to gym, right? You gym, you are a coach. You are a coach. You are already a coach. Okay, now gym. What do you also know how to do? Wow, you are good. You are a genius, my friend. You bring out a chart of a stock market or a forex market and you analyze it, and it's just that way. You got it? Put the two together, my friend. This is what you know how to do. Put it together now. Make it a life. Do it every day. This is what you know how to do. It will turn to money. That is, let your brain be the one generating the money first, then manifest. The power of manifestation is what I'm teaching you now. I've taught you the power of attraction. When I was teaching you the power of attraction, one guy on this channel, he will always come and type comment. Shut up. Off the camera. I hope now, bro, you are off. You have off your own camera. Because everything you type, even the noise, the shout you're shouting, off the camera. You don't know that behind the scene, I'm making money. Which means what? I monetize you. You see how smart we are? Because I monetize you. So the comment you are writing, hey, off the camera, you are, all is making money for me because you are spiking up the interest of people on my behalf. So that part is making money. That is the heat of the video. I told you. You see how smart we are? That is why I said, look, the kind of people I don't like in my life are people that they are so ignorant. You know? And I told you, look, we are not operating in the same realm. The realm we are is different. The frequency we are operating is highly different. You know? You see the way I'm sat down talking, manifesting something, manifesting money over there on YouTube in here.